Voy a ir al baño, no te las comas. Ahorita vengo.
Ok, mamá.
No te las comas. Anna. Anna. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I haven't vlogged at all. Oh wait, I have. But it's been like 2 days that I don't vlog. I was gonna say I haven't vlogged at all this week. But it's only Tuesday, so. Yeah, it is. I don't have my watch on me. It is almost 7:30. We leave at 7:30 today. We're just waiting on time. I'm eating a banana. What are you doing? Huh? What? Anaí! Anaí! ¿Dónde está Anaí? Anaí! Anaí! ¿Dónde está Anaí? Anaí!
She's covering her eyes.
Go!
So when you look for her, when you're actually looking for her, she's gonna hide. She wants me to go down there, Karen.
Where?
Let's go.
And what's the problem?
Let's go. You didn't see your phone?
Let's go. Let's go now. Nina. Nina.
Will you bring me some ice if you come with?
No.
I
Just stay over here.
am craving dirt and there's a lot of dirt out here. Nothing's like
I'm craving dirt and there's a lot of dirt. When I was pregnant too, I would crave a lot of ice. And it's just a deficiency in iron. Ice and dirt and like chalk. You can't hear me. Whoop. What?
But she's gonna.
Are you something? That's gonna get stuck to your mouth. Oh.
It is satisfy the craving of dirt.
Deficiency in iron.
Hmm?
Deficiency in iron.
They took my iron the other day.
That's good.
It was bad.
I mean, there could still be a deficiency.
Yeah.
I love that you're craving ice. Because this looks some dead, huh? That's some dead.
Holy crap. I love it.
Because I love that she's craving ice because when I was pregnant, she would get annoyed.
By this.
She'd be like, stop eating ice. That's so annoying.
Why is it so good? Do you not crave it? Do you not want some?
What is that? Oh, she just ignores me completely. What is it?
No.
Mira, ahí, Dana.
What is it?
I see.
Oh, gone. I hate it.
A ver, ¿qué es eso?
No, this one.
Give it to me, give it to me.
Es mío.
¿La puedo ver?
No. No.
Sorry. I'll keep it. Why do you like making her mad?
Aquí la tengo. Aquí la tengo.
A ver.
No, mío.
Yeah, let me find one.
No.
Mío.
No. Es mío.
Mío, mira.
¿Es tuyo?
No.
I'm trying to vlog, but it's just the wind is just so bad. I've already tried it once. It's kind of scary just because I feel like I'm gonna flip her over. I don't even know if I can. I'm sure I can. But it's fun. She likes it a lot. That's annoying.
I've been craving it all day.
I hate that noise. It's so annoying.
No, you don't.
Hey guys, good afternoon. It's late. I haven't had the motivation to vlog lately. I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with me. Ever since my daughter hurt her foot, we haven't been able to go outside except for yesterday. We went outside yesterday, like on her scooter and then on the bike. But she's just, I don't want to overdo her foot. But now she's better. She's all like, it's like nothing ever happened. I mean, they're still like, it's still healing, but she's acting like nothing ever happened. Yeah. No te los comas. No te los comas. Espérate. Espérate, no te los comas, ¿ok? Voy a ir al baño, no te los comas. Ahorita vengo.
Ok, mamá.
No te los comas. No te los comas, espérate, vamos a ir al baño. Ay, ¿te las comiste? ¿Sí te las comiste? ¿Te la comiste? Anaí. Did she? I don't think she did. I didn't count it.
Oh, you freaking.
Ok, cómetela. Gracias por esperarme. You know, so your mouth when I got here. I'm gonna see if she. Come here. Sit. Down. No, down. Stay. 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 What, baby?
Where did you go? Mommy.
Right here. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday.
Hey,
So
Mama,
almost a weekend.
Mama,
What,
it's
baby?
me.
Is it Nai?
Sí.
Es una ambulancia.
Sí.
¿Dónde va?
Acá.
Good job. 7:45. We don't have to leave until 8:15. So we're good on time
Look at this. It's already tangled.
so far.
Whoa, sweetie.
Oh, my sweetie.
Hey,
There you go.
I wish I could pick with my sisters. Look at this. He's speaker tongue young. I'll zoom at this way.
Huh?
This way.
This way?
Yes. But
This is me trying to figure out if she actually meant this way or if she's saying a bad word in Spanish.
isn't that to the round? And then
Huh? Turn around?
yes.
A ver. Turn around.
He's
The
on
whole-
the mouse. He's on the mouse.
He's a mouse?
Look, it's the one.
Oh, sí. También a Minnie Mouse, a Mickey Mouse.
That's when I boca and noses.
Yeah.
Let me see. Hey, open the mouse. Oh, he's on the mouse.
Ya se lo comió.
See, se comió a Betty.
Yeah, if you did not understand that, she said Freddy chewed up her monkey.
Yes,
And
Remy,
he
we're not
also-
on the fence.
He also chewed up a little miniature figure of Mickey Mouse. And she was telling him to open his mouth.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
He eats those.
He eat those?
Yes.
Oh no.
No.
¿Se los comió Freddy?
Whoa! This is pick. Whoa! Oh. Hey, look at me. Hey, look at me. Mama, see?
Let me see Mickey Mouse.
This
And
one
this
has-
is, why doesn't it focus? I don't
And
know
this
what's wrong with
one
my camera.
bends bigger. Look at it, Rick. Look at it, Rick. This one.
Huh?
This one. A book. And this one and fast.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
This one is now.
Oh yeah.
Oh my dear.
They're all,
Oh my dear.
you can see the beak and then
Oh.
Mickey has no
Oh,
ears.
I'm stone.
Let me see.
Whoa, she's Mickey's wrong. Oh.
He has hiccups.
I got this. What is this?
Do you have the hiccups? Gosh. Gosh.
Since I don't have mine.
So she doesn't have her dog, she comes and walks mine, huh? How's that pregnant life? You can't even tell you're pregnant. Move your arm. Wait.
Wait, are you pregnant?
You can't tell you're pregnant. You can just like see that you're fat. Wait. Move this way. Turn around. There you go. It looked like a beer belly at first.